Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW E46. This one, guys, is the 3 Series generation from year 1998 to year 2006, and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse and how to replace the fuse for the cigarette lighter, or also known as the power outlets. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think, if you like the video, if you like the channel. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So now, guys, you may have actually two fuses for the cigarette lighter outlet, and we'll explain where they're located. So first thing, guys, you need to go ahead and open your glove box, right here. Once you guys open your glove box, you're going to see right here we have two things that we need to turn towards the outside like that. And this is, guys, your fuse box. It will drop like that. Now you can see, guys, on top, the top row, you can see the numbers printed with big white letters, and you have small black numbers, big white numbers, and you have small black numbers on the bottom, and small black numbers printed right here for the bottom row. Now the fuses that we're looking at, guys, some cars will have only one, some will have two. The first fuse we're looking at that every car will have is fuse number 47. 47, guys, looking at this thing here, it will be a 20 amp fuse, and it will be, guys, this fuse right here, this is number 47 for the cigarette lighter, for the power outlet. Now, some cars will have one more, guys, and where that one is located, the other one will be fuse number 26. Ours is missing that, and I noticed, I think, it will be this fuse right here, number 26. I think this 26 is actually for the models in Asia and Australia, in New Zealand. They will have a double one. I don't know why, to be honest with you, but if yours do not work, guys, you need to check this one. It will be fuse number 47, and I'm talking about the lighter, right there. That will be one of them, and some vehicles will even have a cigarette lighter in the back. Some do, some don't. It really depends on your model and all that stuff. So this is, guys, the whole video. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please, hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.